Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has shot up into the overbought area. Alibaba stock has gained 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is picking up speed and is currently neutral. The sterling-dollar pair has remained as is in the last session. The ultimate oscillator shifted sharply into the overbought area. The Aussie dollar pair has added 1.6% in the last two sessions. The RSI transitioned sharply into the positive zone.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. government asked Google to fork over granular information on how its search engine works and makes money in the quest to prove that the internet giant is a monopoly. Wall Street's blue-chip S&P 500 index rose 2.4%, its biggest one-day gain in almost 9 months, and enough to erase almost the entirety of last week's declines. The British Finance Minister Rishi Sunak plans to do whatever it takes to support the economy and says that the task of fixing public finances will only begin once the country is recovering.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The UK's Market Services PMI will be released at 9:30 GMT, Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT, Australia's gross domestic product at 0:30 GMT. The U.S. ADP employment change will be released at 13:15 GMT, Spain's Market Services PMI at 8:15 GMT, Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.